Hey guys, so today we are going to be installing this Go Fast Bits diverter valve plus on the mk6. So let's get to it. So what we are going to be changing is right here. You guys probably can't see it. Now you can. It's that right there. That thing has 3 Allen bolts coming out of it. So let me get those out and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so I got it off. As you can see right here. Look, let me turn on this light. Hold on, I'll be right back. As you can see, we got it off. So now let's open this and get to building. Okay, so your first step is to pull this little cap off, which was sitting right there, obviously. Then I believe, does this come with a new one of these? Yeah, it does. It comes with this, and I believe this goes in there instead of that. Okay, so now let's try and get this thing out. Okay, so now we take this spring, we drop it on the new thing, that thing, then we take the new plunger, we set that right on top, just like that. Then we set this on top, make sure it aligns. Then after that, we're going to take this fat spring, set it right in there. Then take this little cap thing and set it right on top. Then after, we'll take, oh boy, I did not mean to do that. We'll take these new bolts that we got and just stick them through so that way it doesn't go anywhere. Actually, I should probably wait for that under the car. Alright, I'll get back to you once this thing's bolted down. Okay, so the diverter valve is in. Now let's take this thing off the jack stand and see if it feels any faster. Alright, so we are in the car. Now let's see how it does. Whoa, this thing's a lot faster now. Holy moly, bro. This thing's a beast. The turbo whistle on this thing now is insane. That's it for today's video. This thing performed a lot differently than it normally would, and it felt a lot faster than stock. I mean, it is stock, besides it cat back and coil packs. But there is a downpipe and mid-pipe sitting in the trunk. There should be a tune once I get paid for my job. And yeah, this thing just made an astronomical difference. And I'm very happy on where this car's going. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.